Good morning, my dear students. Now, continuation of electrochemistry. Nernst equation. Yesterday, I explained Nernst equation for metal electrode, Nernst equation for cation electrode. Yesterday, given simply Nernst equation for cation electrode or metal electrode. Metal electrode formula, simple formula, E equal to E naught plus 0.059 by N log of C. So these are here. So these are very important. Cation electrode or metal electrode or simply, so E cell equal to E naught cell plus 0.059 by N. Here C equal to concentration of Mn plus metal ion or simply log C. Log C. Okay? So these are. Or here write RP, reduction potential, right there. So these are Nernst equation for metal electrode. Nernst equation for metal electrode or cation electrode. Now I will explain. Yesterday finished. Our next Nernst equation for anion electrode. Anion electrode or non-metal electrode. Next one is Nernst equation for cation electrode or metal electrode formula. Yesterday I derived that formula. N equal to number of electrons involved in the reaction. Here N equal to number of electrons involved in the reaction. Number of electrons involved in the reaction. Okay. Next one is, write down. So Nernst equation for next one, anion electrode. Nernst equation for anion electrode. Nernst equation for anion electrode. So Nernst equation for anion electrode. So anion electrode. Another one is non-metal electrode. So non-metal electrode. In this case, yesterday I completed metal electrode. Now I given Nernst equation for non-metal electrode or anion electrode. In this case, now I am taking if non-metal or non-metal ion, if non-metal ion present as electrode, if non-metal ion present as electrode, the Nernst equation for single electrode within bracket A bar An minus gaining of electrons at 298 Kelvin is generally formula E equal to or E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N into log C. Here C. Generally in this case A plus N minus equal to A N minus. So these are aqueous solution. Okay. Here C equal to concentration of AN minus. So that is a simple formula. After that, so write down simply so after that simply ERP equal to E naught Rp minus 0.059 by n log of C. So simple, log of C. We know C means concentration. C equal to A n minus A n concentration of anion. Anion gaining of electron. Anion is gaining of electron. Non-metal gaining of electron, anion is formed. Metal losing of electron, cation is formed. When non-metal gaining of electron, anion is formed. When metal losing of electron, cation is formed. So these are, anyway, next equation for metal electrode and non-metal electrode. So remembering these points for important, very very important for IP point of view. Objective point of view also common. Okay. So next equation for metal electrode and non-metal electrode. And another one is Nernst equation for hydrogen electrode. Nernst equation for hydrogen electrode. Nernst equation for hydrogen electrode. Here hydrogen electrode means simply we know 2H plus aqueous solution gives rise 2 electrons gives rise to H2, pressure P atmosphere, these are gas. In this case you know E equal to E naught minus 0.059 by n. Here log of reaction quotient, yesterday I explained, reaction quotient Q equal to concentration of product by concentration of reactant. That means concentration of product means P of H2 by there H plus is there, H plus square, because why? 2 moles is there. Moles, reactant side number of moles converted into product side power. That means 2. Simply or so E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n. So log of P of H2 by H plus square. So that is a Nernst equation for hydrogen electrode. These are Nernst equation for hydrogen electrode. E cell equal to E naught cell. E naught means standard. E naught cell minus 0.059 by n into log P of H2 by. Here n means, in this case n means how much? 2 electrons. 2 electrons are involved in this reaction. Here n value 2. Okay. Anyway, successfully Nernst equation for metal electrode, non-metal electrode, and another one is hydrogen electrode also completed. And another points, my dear students, these are all for numerical purpose required. So these are, don't forget, remembering all formulas, very important, very easy. So in your mind keep these all formulas. So try 3 or 4 times practice them. Nernst equation for hydrogen electrode. And another one is next reduction potential of hydrogen electrode equal to reduction potential of hydrogen equal to formula minus 0.059 into pH. That formula. Reduction potential of hydrogen equal to minus 0.059 into pH. Next, oxidation potential of hydrogen electrode. Oxidation potential of hydrogen electrode equal to plus 0.059 into pH. You know pH? Negative logarithm of hydrogen and concentration. Don't forget, they are important. For problems, these formulas required. Reduction potential of hydrogen equal to minus 0.059 into pH. Oxidation potential of hydrogen electrode equal to plus 0.059 into pH. Okay, so these are some important useful formulas. Okay, next another one is thermodynamics related to electrochemistry. Next another one is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics related to electrochemistry. Here relation between Gibbs free energy and EMF of the cell. Thermodynamics related to electrochemistry. Relation between Gibbs free energy and EMF of the cell. We know generally minus delta G equal to NFE cell, or simply delta G equal to minus NFE cell. Here E cell means total EMF of the cell equal to RHS minus LHS. Generally E cell. So E cell is intensive property. First thermodynamics, extensive property, intensive property. Extensive property means the properties depends on the total matter of the substance is known as extensive property. Intensive means not depends on the total amount of the substance. E cell intensive property, delta G naught. Delta G means extensive property. Extensive property. Delta G minus delta G equal to NFE cell. Delta G equal to minus NFE naught. That means here N equal to number of electrons. Anyway, thermodynamic property depends on the number of electrons. Thermodynamics property depends on the extent. These are intensive property, extensive property. Anyway, thermodynamic property depends on the number of electrons. So number of electrons here N equal to number of electrons. F means Faraday. 1 Faraday equal to 96,500 coulombs. Here N equal to number of electrons. N equal to number of electrons. So for example, I am taking Zn solid plus Cu2 plus aqueous. So in this reaction Zn2 plus aqueous and copper solid. Here N value how much? 2 electrons. Here N equal to number of electrons. Supply formula delta G equal to minus NFE cell, that equal to minus 2 into F, simply minus 2FE cell, that of like answer. Here delta G equal to, so delta G equal to, so simply no need here. In this case delta G equal to 2FE cell. Okay, so these are formula. Here N equal to number of electrons are involved. If EMF of the cell positive, delta G value so less than 0 or negative value. If EMF of cell positive, EMF of cell is positive, then delta G value negative or less than 0. So it is a, so thermodynamics related to electrochemistry. relation between Gibbs free energy and EMF of the cell. Simple formula, delta G equal to minus NFE cell. Okay, delta G equal to minus NFE cell. Okay, next another one is so relation between Gibbs free energy and equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant is simply Kc. Relation between Gibbs free energy and equilibrium constant. Simply formula we know. Delta G equal to delta G naught plus 2.303 RT log Q. Here generally log Q. Q means reaction quotient. Reaction quotient is related to equilibrium constant. Simply reaction quotient Q equal to Kc. Kc means equilibrium constant. Q means reaction quotient. First is thermodynamic chemical equilibrium concept. Here simply I am taking here delta G equal to 0. Delta G equal to 0 means delta G naught equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. So that is a simple formula. Delta G naught equals standard Gibbs free energy. Standard Gibbs free energy delta G naught equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. Here R value how much? 8.314 joules. Here R value simply R value 8.314 joules. And T value room temperature 298 Kelvin temperature. Kc means equilibrium constant. These are for problems. This formula very important. Generally, delta G naught value negative. Delta G naught value negative. If the reaction is spontaneous. Delta G naught means Gibbs free energy. If Gibbs free energy value negative, if the reaction is spontaneous. Anyway, the relation between Gibbs free energy and equilibrium constant. Here we know delta G equal to delta, these are thermodynamics factor. Delta G equal to delta G naught plus 2.303 RT log Q. Here Q means reaction quotient. Q equal to equilibrium constant Kc. Instead of Q I am taking Kc. Anyway, delta G naught equal to 0 means delta G naught equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. Here R value 8.314 joules. Temperature Kelvin 298 Kelvin temperature. So these are relation between Gibbs free energy and equilibrium constant. These are all relations very important for problems for G exams and NEET exam also. And the last relation between EMF of the cell and equilibrium constant. Last relation between EMF of the cell and equilibrium constant. Relation between EMF of the cell and equilibrium constant. EMF of the cell. We know generally delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught cell. One formula. And delta G naught equal to another formula. E naught equal to we know 2.303 RT log Kc. Equation 1, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get simple formula simple formula. So E naught cell equal to 0.059 by n log of Kc. That is a simple relation. So E naught cell equal to 0.059 by n into log Kc for problems required. Kc means equilibrium constant. N equal to number of electrons involved in the reaction. Number of electrons involved in the reaction. That is a simple formula. Simple formula. Actually, these are another. It is also correct. Before this reaction, before actually, it is there or another. E naught cell equal to 2.303 RT by NF log C. Log C. These are after that simply are here I am writing E naught cell equal to 0.059 by n log of Kc. So these are very simple formula. Both are same. We know 2.303 into R value 8.314 into temperature 298 by n means number. These are n fixed, n not constant. 96,500. Except this value remaining all are constant. Substitute this value 0.059 will come. N not constant. Remaining all are constants. Okay. Anyway, so these are final equation. It is this equation before this equation will come. Actually 2.303 RT by F equal to value how much? 0.059. Here F equal to 96,500. F means Faraday. So these are different types of thermodynamics related to electrochemistry. Thermodynamics related to electrochemistry. So these are important points of very very important for numericals. Okay, next another one is concentration cells. Concentration cells. Here concentration cells means electrochemical cell in which EMF produced is due to the difference of concentration either electrode and electrolyte, that is known as concentration cells. Concentration cells means electrochemical cell in which EMF produced is due to difference of concentration either electrode and electrolyte is known as electrochemical cell in which EMF produced is due to difference of concentration either electrode and electrolyte is called concentration cells. So concentration cells means the electrochemical cell in which EMF produced is due to difference of concentration either electrode and electrolyte is called electrode and electrolyte concentration difference, that is known as concentration cells. Definition: concentration cells two types: electrode concentration cells, electrolyte concentration cells. So these are two types. Concentration cells are two types. So write down definition. Concentration cells two types. Concentration cells two types. First one is electrode concentration cells. Electrode concentration cells. Electrolyte concentration cells. For problems required. So these are depth points. So these are high level. Formulas required. Electrode concentration cells two types. Electrode concentration cells and electrolyte concentration cells. Now I am explaining electrode concentration cells. In electrode concentration cells, if two similar electrodes at different concentrations are in contact with the same electrolytic solution. Once again, if two similar electrodes at a different concentrations are contact with the same electrolytic solution. For example, here suppose hydrogen is there. In hydrogen 2H plus 2 electrons. Here 1 atmosphere pressure. Okay, the hydrogen gas. In this case, N value how much? 2 electrons. You are losing of electron. In this case, now I am taking here actually platinum, hydrogen gas, P1 atmosphere contact with H plus aqueous solution is dipped into the same H2 P2 atmosphere and platinum, that the cell reaction represented as cell reaction, represented as platinum hydrogen P1 atmosphere contact with the same solution plus and hydrogen P2 atmosphere platinum. In this case, reaction simply generally formula required. Final equation simply E cell equal to 0.059 by n log of P1 by P2. Here log of Pn by P2. Here in the above reaction n value how much? 2 electrons. Here P1 means pressure of hydrogen gas at anode. P2 means pressure of hydrogen gas at cathode. These are points. So there generally cell can be represented as, okay. Here final formula, these are important. E cell equal to 0.059 by n log of P1 by P2. That is a simple formula. Okay, so these are which type of cell? Electrode concentration cells. Simple electrode concentration cell, E cell equal to 0.059 by n into log of P1 by P2. So these are electrode concentration cell. Okay, P1 means pressure of hydrogen gas at anode, pressure of hydrogen gas at cathode. So these are first case and the second one is electrolyte concentration cell. Two similar electrodes are contact with the contact with the solution of same electrolyte at different concentrations. Different concentrations. That is a electrolyte concentration cells. So here two similar electrodes are contact with the same solution of electrolyte at different concentrations. That is here different concentration means before different concentration means pressure. Here different concentration means only molarity different, concentration different. Their pressure different. Pressure also considered as a concentration. Here if two similar electrodes are contact with the solution of same electrolyte at different concentration. Simple example, I am taking example. Zn solid, Zn 2 plus aqueous. Here concentration C1. That means next one is Zn 2 plus. So aqueous. Here C2 concentration bar, Zn solid. That is a simple. Here same electrolyte and same electrode. Zn. Here C1 concentration. Here C2 concentration. Here C1 and there is C2 concentration. In this formula, simple formula, in this case simple formula, write down E cell equal to 0.059 by N log of here C2 by C1 within bracket C2 is greater than to C1, that is here if C2 is greater than to C1, here C2 is greater than to C1. So here means here C1 concentration at anode, C2 concentration at cathode. So generally concentration at anode, concentration at cathode. So these are our different types of concepts in electrochemistry. Last one is, so write down first, or write down these points. Complete. Next last one useful formula. If two half cells reaction having electrode potentials E1 0 and E2 0, these are combined to form third electrode of cell E3. Now one other relation. So these are extra point. Simply, if two half cells, chemical reaction reaction having electrode potentials. If two half cells reaction having electrode potentials E1 0 and E2 0 combine to form third half cell reaction having combine to form third half cell reaction having electrode potential E03. Then one relation E03 equal to N1 E1 0 plus N2 E2 0 by here N3. These are one of the formula. Here N1 means number of electrons are first. Number of electrons are first electrode, second electrode, third electrode. Their formula. Here first half cell, second half, these are two are combined to form third half cell electrode. The third half cell reaction having electrode potential E3. E3 naught equal to N1 E naught N1 E naught plus N2 E naught 2 by N3. Okay, so these are different types of relations. Okay, here in this case number of electrons are equal to, in this case number of electrons are equal to, so number of electrons are equal to simply so write down that formula first. Write down that formula. Here after that next number of electrons involved, number of electrons involved in the reaction equal to then E3 0 E naught 3 equal to E naught 1 0 plus E naught 2. Number of electrons are involved in the reaction equal to then E3 naught equal to E1 naught plus E2 naught. So these are simple formula. So these are extra formula, my dear students. So these are in electrochemistry. First part I finished. Next class I will give problems based on this concept. Next class I will give problems. Okay. Once write all formulas once. So thermodynamic, which Nernst equation for metal electrode, non-metal electrode, standard hydrogen electrode. So reduction potentials, oxidation potentials. In electrochemical series, upper elements are reducing agents, lower elements are oxidizing agents. Okay, time 30. So next period I will give some problems. Electrochemistry first part. Complete the problems. So I will give main problems. Complete the problems. So I will start second concept. Electrochemistry. Up to here for IP point of view, which course is required means I thought normal hydrogen electrode NHE or SHE important. So difference between electronic conductors and electrolytic conductors important. I am saying about that for IP point of view. First, once again, I am saying about that IP point of view important questions. Which questions we will prepare for IP? Difference between electronic and electrolytic conductors, first question amma. Next, NHE or SHE, normal hydrogen electrode or standard hydrogen electrode, these are second. And another one is very important, construction of Daniell cell and galvanic cell. Daniell cell and galvanic cell. Next point. Next question. Difference between electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. Already 7 or 8 points I given. Difference between electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell. Very important. Next, Nernst equation. Nernst equation for metal electrode and non-metal electrodes. These questions, IP point of view, very, very important. Once again, IP point of view, first question, differences between electronic and electrolytic conductors, first question. Second one is NHE or SHE. Next question, difference between electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell. Next, galvanic cell construction. And second, next question, Daniell cell also construction, same principle. And very, very important, Nernst equation. Nernst equation for metal electrode and non-metal electrode. Remaining definitions simply electrode potential, standard electrode potential, electrochemical series. This type of difference, maybe 2 marks will come. Okay. Anyway, these points for IP, these questions for IP point of view, very, very important. Okay, students. Next class, I will give some problem. We will do some problems on this concept. Okay. Next class, I will start problems. 1 or 2 periods. After that, I will start electrochemistry second part. Electrochemistry first part completed. Electrochemistry first part completed. Next, electrochemistry 3 parts is there. Second part, after 2 days I will start, because next tomorrow I will start problems on this concept. Don't forget formula, remembering all concepts. Okay, ma? Okay, students, my dear students. Okay, thank you for all.